Load flexible materials and configure the substrate for printing on the HP Latex R printer series. From the IPS, or internal print server, touch the substrate application. Select Roll, and then select the type of substrate for the job. Set its parameters. Check the auto measurement options for the substrate. Follow these steps to print on a roll using the spindle. Load the roll on the spindle, and then load the spindle on the input side of the printer. Place the ends of the spindle on the platform. Push the input roll into position. Close the input roll latches on both sides of the spindle. Center the input roll using the ruler markers on the spindle. Centering the roll reduces the risk of skew, wrinkles, and telescoping. Inflate the spindle to secure the roll into place. Unwind a length of substrate. Slide the substrate into the substrate advance belt, using the buttons on the printer to advance and hold the substrate on the substrate advance belt until it reaches the desired position. Press the load button on the printer or touch load from the IPS. The printer rotates the input roll to check its diameter, width, and winding direction. If selected, it also follows the automatic de-skew process. This process takes about a minute. Some substrates, such as transparent and dark substrates, cannot be measured by the printer. Manually enter the left edge and width measurements into the corresponding IPS boxes. Select Substrate Ready on the printer or from the internal print server. Select the job to print and place it on the loaded substrate. Check the print preview in the internal print server queue management window. Preview your job and then touch Print.